This brand new laser cleaning head is designed specifically for 300 watts and below, with excellent compatibility. Its design is even more refined, achieving a smaller volume and lighter weight, weighing less than 900 grams, greatly enhancing equipment integration and operational convenience. In terms of cleaning functionality, we offer diversified cleaning modes. With up to 13 built-in scanning modes, you can quickly select according to the actual working conditions, achieving out-of-box usability, significantly improving work efficiency. Linear rotating circle. Among them, the free mode is particularly flexible, allowing you to freely combine different X and Y frequencies to achieve a rich variety of scanning effects. For specific patterns, such as rotating graphics, you can fine-tune the cycle and pole number parameters to achieve the optimal cleaning path and effect. The smaller the scanning cycle value, the denser the pattern texture becomes. And the larger the pole number, the faster the pattern rotates. The user interface has been completely upgraded with an intuitive multi-language interface. It currently supports 15 languages and can be customized according to customer requirements, adding other country language versions, helping to expand global market reach. Intelligent monitoring ensures stability. The cleaning head has the ability to directly monitor the laser operating status and alarm information. When emitting laser outside the focal range, the distance display will turn red as a warning. In case of equipment fault alarm, the display screen will flash red as a warning, helping you keep track of equipment health in real time, making it easy to quickly troubleshoot issues, ensuring continuous and reliable cleaning operations. The interface displays key data in real time, such as distance measurement and temperature. All parameter adjustments, such as power, frequency, pulse width, etc., support intuitive sliding or clicking operations, and you can quickly enter the Enable page by swiping down on the main interface, making it efficient and easy to use. In addition, the cleaning head is preloaded with 6 major common process libraries, covering the vast majority of typical cleaning scenarios. You can quickly select according to your actual working conditions, achieving plug-and-play operation, significantly improving work efficiency.